Yeah, so a bit of a pain. I don't have internet connection on my phone, so I think my sat nav's trying to get me back on that road that's all blocked off, because the sat nav doesn't know it's blocked off, of course. So I've set my sat nav to include highways and also, instead of a green route, the fastest route. So hopefully I'll get back onto a bit of a main road. But I mean, this is stunning. I'm really enjoying this this ride here. But yeah, I'm just a bit concerned that the sat nav's going to take me onto that blocked off road. So I'll try and get out of here and probably go back to close to my starting point, and then hopefully it'll pick up on an alternative route, a more bit of a main road. But it's beautiful here though. So I've sort of gone round in a circle. I'm back to sort of where I started from, just north of where I started from. But yeah, got back on the main roads. I was starting to worry about fuel, so I've just filled up, and so I'll be good to go for the day. And I've set the sat nav to highways, so hopefully it won't take me back onto that road that's blocked, but we'll see. Slight change of plan, given that it's 12:30 on a Saturday. I think I'd better eat, because I've still got 2.5 hours to ride yet. So I'll get some food here. Here we go, chicken salad-y thing. So I just stopped in this pretty little town to change my GoPro battery and get some water. But just shows you how a simple ride this, you know, it's supposed to take about 2.5 hours my trip today. I've already been 5.5 hours. Left at 9:30 in the morning, it's 2:30 in the afternoon now. And I've got about 80 k's to go, and it's saying an hour and a half. So you know, another reason why I usually just plan 200k rides, something like that. Had that huge detour over the mountains, which was spectacular, but yeah, expect the unexpected. Sometimes rides can take you know, 3 times as long. But that's all right. Beautiful day. Should be straightforward from here anyway. So yep, keep going. this is my dorm room. $40.30, €40.32. That's my bed. Welcome back, guys, and welcome to Annecy in southeastern France. And look at this view. And today we're going to Switzerland. Stopping in Geneva, which I think is about 35 kilometres away from here, and going to Lausanne and staying the night there. So that's where we are. But yeah, beautiful day. It's going to take about 3 hours to get to Lausanne. It's only 109 kilometres, so sort of indicates it's probably going to be 50-kilometre-hour roads around the lake by Geneva. So yeah, it should be probably slow going, but should be beautiful and lots of traffic and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, it'd be good. So guys and girls, welcome to Switzerland. Yes, I'm in the beautiful city of Genevieve, down by the lakefront here. Everyone's at the beach. And 150 odd metres away, or 200 metres away, no, it wouldn't be 200 metres, is the tallest fountain in the world.